Hi guys, this is the finished product of the jerk baked chicken. Yummy. Okay guys, welcome back. This is the marinated pork. I'm going to add some browning to give it some color to it. I'm gonna mix it up. I already marinated it in the fridge. Now I'm just putting some browning to give it some color. And then I'm gonna put it in my container and put it in the oven. All right, see, it's nice and brown. I'm gonna put it in my container. It's nice and brown. And after this, I'm going to put it in my oven. I set an oven at 350. I'm going to put this in my oven, and then I'm gonna get back to you with the results of my jerk baked pork.